Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to attend several programs on the second day of his visit to his home turf, Varanasi in pole-bound Uttar Pradesh. The Prime Minister will participate in a conclave of chief ministers of several BJP-ruled states to discuss governance-related matters and also attend anniversary celebrations at a yoga foundation and meditation center. And going straight across to my colleague Sumi, who's been tracking all the details. Sumi, all eyes are going to be on Prime Minister's meet that he will hold with chief ministers on day 2 of his visit to Varanasi. If you could help us in detail as to what is going to be on the top of agenda.
Yes, absolutely. Today will be the culmination of Prime Minister's 2-day visit here in Varanasi. But before he goes back to the national capital, he is likely, and in fact, he will take this conclave of 12 CMs and 2 deputy CMs from the state of Bihar. And in fact, this conclave, it will be led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the agenda will definitely to discuss the best practices that they have taken in their own respective states. And in fact, that particular conclave will be held in the BLW guest house that is just right this corner 500 meters from here. And in fact, right now we are witnessing several dignitaries who are arriving from this particular place, and the security has also been upped in this particular route, because this is the route that Prime Minister has taken this morning, and he is already in the guest house, while the other CMs as well as the deputy CMs from 2 states are going to join him for this particular meeting before he goes to Umraha, which is 30 kilometers from here, to celebrate the 98th birth anniversary of a saint. And in fact, he will also inaugurate a temple there. And yesterday also we had seen the grandeur of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor's inauguration, and how he took part while on a cruise in the grand Ganga Aarti here from Varanasi Ghat.
Well, absolutely, Sumi, and just stay on with us. I'd like to, for the benefit of viewers, if you could once again tell us what really happened yesterday. We saw the grand ceremony there. Prime Minister unveiled the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. In fact, he attended the Aarti as well. If once again for our viewers, if you could highlight some of what happened yesterday.
Yes, absolutely. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday landed here much ahead of his scheduled time at 11 at Baba Bhairavnath Mandir, and there he performed the puja before he went to Baba Vishwanath corridor and the Dham, which is also known as Baba Vishwanath Dham, and he inaugurated that. And in fact, there was a Havan also that was lined up for him. And in the evening on the Ro-Ro vessel, he attended the grand Ganga Aarti that was put together for him. And in fact, yesterday was a very historic day, as people of Varanasi had been waiting for this day to happen, because it was a lifelong dream of the people, as well as it was the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to devise such a route, and also to revive the old age custom of taking the holy dip and get the water collected, holy Ganga, in a container, and so that they can offer it to Lord Shiva at the nearby temple. But because of the congestion in the city and the by-lanes and the poor upkeep, this old age tradition somehow lost its luster, and which is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi wanted to give it back to the people, and which is why he built this corridor very beautifully. And in fact, the entire input has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as he closely monitored every phase of it. And yesterday, the phase 1 of the project got inaugurated, where 23 buildings also saw their grand inauguration. And remember, this is only the first phase of the project, worth 339 crores.
Well, absolutely, Sumi. And while we speak, we are also getting those visuals of Prime Minister visiting the Banaras railway station late last night to review the development work in the railway station.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत प्रसन्न हुए। और जो हमने पिछली बार आए थे तो काशी और यहाँ बहुत फ़र्क है। अभी कैलाश में जैसे गए ऐसे लगता है। जो मोदी जी का जो विज़न है और उनका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो है और उनका जो एक सपना था वो पूरा हो गया है। इससे बहुत सारे भक्तजनों की मन भी बहुत खुश हो गई है। जो आस्था था काशी विश्वनाथ के ऊपर और ज़रा बढ़ गया।
कल प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि काशी ही अविनाशी है, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ विपक्ष लगातार इस पर राजनीति कर रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि मोदी जी अपने आखिरी समय में जो है वाराणसी जा रहे हैं, इस पर क्या?
अरे वो तो विपक्ष तो विरोध करने के लिए ही है ना। हाँ, तो वो तो बोलते रहेंगे। 10 साल से बोल रहे हैं, आगे 10 साल भी बोलते रहेंगे। मोदी जी काम करते चलेंगे।